Hello, and welcome to our video on 8 best foods to ease diabetic neuropathy. If you're dealing with diabetic neuropathy, you know it can be a difficult and painful condition, characterized by nerve damage often caused by high blood sugar levels. But there's good news. By integrating certain foods into your diet, you can significantly alleviate its symptoms and improve your overall quality of life. Before we dive into this valuable list, a quick reminder. Please do take a moment to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell. This way, you'll stay updated with our latest health tips and strategies that can empower you on your wellness journey. Now, let's embark on a culinary exploration of these nourishing and beneficial foods that can help you manage diabetic neuropathy more effectively. Kicking off our list at number 8, we have the vibrant and versatile bell peppers. These aren't just a feast for the eyes, they're a powerhouse of nutrition, especially for those managing diabetic neuropathy. Bell peppers, whether red, yellow, or green, are incredibly high in vitamin C. This isn't just any ordinary vitamin, it's a potent antioxidant that plays a crucial role in repairing nerve tissue and safeguarding against further damage. But that's not all. Vitamin C also aids in the formation of collagen, a key protein for maintaining healthy skin, blood vessels, and other tissues, which can be particularly beneficial in a condition like diabetic neuropathy. Plus, bell peppers have a low glycemic index, meaning they won't spike your blood sugar levels, making them an excellent choice for diabetics. Incorporating bell peppers into your diet can be both delicious and easy. Add them to salads for a crunchy twist, roast them for a sweet and smoky flavor, or stuff them with a healthy filling for a satisfying meal. Not only will you be treating your taste buds, but you'll also be taking a positive step towards managing your neuropathy symptoms. Securing the number 7 spot, we focus on the substantial benefits of whole grains, particularly oatmeal and quinoa. These grains are not just basic dietary staples, they are pivotal in a diabetic-friendly regimen. Whole grains like oatmeal and quinoa are loaded with complex carbohydrates. This type of carbohydrate is critical as it breaks down gradually in the body, ensuring a steady release of glucose. This gradual release is essential for maintaining stable blood sugar levels, a fundamental aspect of diabetic neuropathy management. In fact, research underscores this point. A study published on PubMed demonstrated that a high intake of whole grains is associated with a 29% lower rate of type 2 diabetes, which is closely related to diabetic neuropathy. Additionally, another study highlighted that whole grain consumption significantly reduces fast plasma glucose levels and improves insulin resistance. These findings emphasize the importance of whole grains in controlling blood sugar levels, thereby aiding in the management of neuropathy symptoms. Moreover, these grains are excellent sources of B vitamins, vital for nerve health and repair. The high fiber content also facilitates digestion and further aids in consistent blood sugar control. Their versatility in the kitchen, oatmeal as a nutritious breakfast base and quinoa as a perfect addition to salads or side dishes, makes them an enjoyable part of a health-conscious diet. Including these whole grains in your meals not only ensures dietary balance, but also plays a critical role in managing the symptoms of diabetic neuropathy, making them an indispensable part of your diet. Number 6 on our list highlights the importance of leafy greens, particularly spinach and kale. These greens are not just side dishes, they are nutritional powerhouses. Spinach and kale are brimming with essential vitamins and minerals that play a crucial role in maintaining overall nerve health. These leafy greens are particularly rich in B vitamins, including folate and vitamin B6, which are known for their nerve protective properties. They help in the proper functioning of nerves and can aid in reducing symptoms associated with neuropathy. Moreover, these greens are abundant in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Inflammation is a key factor in diabetic neuropathy, and consuming foods that combat inflammation can be highly beneficial. The antioxidants in spinach and kale, such as vitamin E and beta-carotene, help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and supporting nerve health. The versatility of leafy greens makes them an easy addition to any diet. They can be blended into smoothies, tossed into salads, or lightly sautéed as a delicious and nutritious side. Taking the fifth spot on our list are nuts and seeds, with a special focus on almonds and sunflower seeds. These small yet mighty nutritional gems are more than just snacks. They are integral to a neuropathy-friendly diet. Nuts and seeds, particularly almonds and sunflower seeds, are abundant in magnesium, a mineral that plays a key role in nerve function. Magnesium helps in the transmission of nerve signals and can aid in reducing the symptoms of neuropathy, such as pain and discomfort. Additionally, these foods are rich in healthy fats, including omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. These fats are crucial for maintaining the health of the nervous system. They aid in the reduction of inflammation, which is often a contributing factor to neuropathic pain. The presence of these healthy fats also supports overall cardiovascular health, which is vital for individuals with diabetes. Incorporating almonds and sunflower seeds into your diet can be both enjoyable and beneficial. They can be added to salads for extra crunch, blended into smoothies, or simply eaten as a nutritious snack. Securing the fourth position on our list are fatty fish, notably salmon and sardines. These types of fish are much more than just tasty seafood. They are essential in a diet targeting diabetic neuropathy. Fatty fish like salmon and sardines are exceptionally rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are crucial in managing diabetic neuropathy for several reasons. Firstly, they play a significant role in reducing inflammation throughout the body. Inflammation is a common factor that exacerbates neuropathic pain and discomfort. By incorporating omega-3 rich foods into your diet, you can help mitigate this inflammation, thus easing neuropathy symptoms. Furthermore, omega-3 fatty acids are vital for nerve health. They contribute to the maintenance and repair of nerve cells, which is particularly important for those dealing with nerve damage caused by diabetic neuropathy. Omega-3s also support overall cardiovascular health, which is essential for individuals with diabetes as they are at a higher risk of heart-related issues. Incorporating fatty fish into your diet can be both delicious and beneficial. Whether it's grilled salmon, baked sardines, or even a fish stew, these foods can be a delightful part of your meals. Their regular consumption not only adds culinary variety, but also provides significant health benefits in managing the symptoms of diabetic neuropathy. Securing the third spot on our list are legumes like chickpeas and black beans. These aren't just culinary staples across various cultures, they are also critical in managing diabetic neuropathy. The reason behind their significance lies in their high fiber and protein content. Fiber is particularly important for those with diabetic neuropathy as it aids in maintaining stable blood sugar levels by slowing the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. This stability is crucial as fluctuations in blood sugar can exacerbate neuropathy symptoms. Furthermore, legumes' protein content is essential for tissue repair and growth, including nerve tissues. Research supports the benefits of legumes in diabetes management, which is directly related to diabetic neuropathy. A study of individuals with type 2 diabetes found significant positive effects from consuming legumes. Specifically, this study reported reductions in fasting blood glucose, FBG, and HbA1c levels, both of which are critical measures in diabetes management. These findings highlight the role of legumes in controlling blood sugar levels and thereby assisting in the management of neuropathy symptoms. Legumes can be creatively used in a variety of dishes, from salads and soups to main courses, offering not just nutritional benefits, but also culinary diversity. Taking the second spot on our list are berries, particularly blueberries and raspberries. These small fruits are more than just sweet and flavorful, they are immensely beneficial for individuals with diabetic neuropathy. The key to their health benefits lies in their high antioxidant content. Antioxidants are crucial in fighting inflammation, a common factor that can exacerbate the symptoms of neuropathy. The antioxidants in berries, such as flavonoids and vitamin C, help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body and reduce oxidative stress, which is beneficial for nerve health. Furthermore, the natural anti-inflammatory properties of these berries can help in reducing the pain and discomfort associated with neuropathy. Regular consumption of blueberries and raspberries can support the overall health of nerves, aiding in the maintenance and repair of nerve tissues. Additionally, berries have a low glycemic index, making them a great choice for people with diabetes, as they don't cause significant spikes in blood sugar levels. Clinching the top spot on our list of the best foods to ease diabetic neuropathy is avocado. This creamy and versatile fruit is far more than a trendy toast topping. It's a nutritional powerhouse for those dealing with neuropathy. Avocados are packed with beneficial fats, particularly monounsaturated fats, which are essential for overall health and especially beneficial for nerve health. These healthy fats contribute to the repair and maintenance of nerve cells, which is crucial in managing neuropathy symptoms. In addition to their healthy fats, avocados are a rich source of B vitamins, including B6 and folate. B vitamins play a significant role in nerve health, aiding in the repair of nerve damage and in the proper functioning of nerves. They are also essential for brain health, which is intricately linked to the nervous system. Moreover, avocados have a low glycemic index, making them an excellent food choice for blood sugar control. Stable blood sugar levels are vital in managing diabetic neuropathy, as fluctuations can aggravate the condition. Their fiber content also aids in this regard, helping to slow the absorption of other carbohydrates. They can be used in smoothies for a creamy texture, sliced into salads, mashed as a spread, or even eaten on their own. And there you have it, our list of the 8 best foods to ease diabetic neuropathy. Remember, your diet plays a crucial role in managing neuropathy symptoms, and incorporating these nutritious foods can significantly aid in this process. If you found this video informative and helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider sharing it with others who might benefit from this information. Also, we value your engagement and experiences, so don't hesitate to leave a comment below about how these foods have impacted your journey with diabetic neuropathy. Your insights could be invaluable to someone else in our community. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy and be sure to tune into our next video for more dietary tips and health advice.